In today's video, I will show you how to update any software in Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Store. Just open it up. Here is the Microsoft Store. You need to go to the bottom left corner and you will see the download option. Just click on that. And from here, you will see all the installed apps in your computer. And for the update, you need to go to the top right corner. You will see the check update option. Just click on that and wait a little bit. It will show. If you have any update, it will show there. As you can see, there is a tick mark, so I don't have any updates left. So that's how you can easily update any software in your Windows PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If yes, then do like this video, comment down below your problem. See you in the next video.